Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, I want to tell you about my 20th item. Let's make our way over to the site right here. There it is, right there. That is my 20th item. Actually, it's a sort of a set. I got them separately, but I installed them at the same time. First one would be the antenna cover or holder right here. I got this one, it makes it look more beefier, and then of course the antenna. Originally, the antenna that came with the stock Jeep is, long metal regular antenna. It was pretty, I would say, long, as in it reached all the way almost to the top right where my hand is. Yeah, that was the original antenna. I did not like that, so I want something low profile. And then when I saw this one right here is a 50 cal antenna. I believe it's aluminum. Yeah, there it is, 50 cal antenna. That is my 20th item with the antenna cover. Alright guys, stay tuned for more. I'll let you know what's going on. Peace.